Welcome to our only live workshop this year, 2019, in Iceland on the 20th, 21st, and 22nd of June 2019. And we will get inspired, learn how to overcome our old ways and learn new ways. Join us to this only in-person energy healing and training seminar in Iceland this year. Learn from us how to test and discern truth and its dualities. Explore how to implement conscious awakening into the physical. See how it's done. And even if you just want to come to Iceland to explore this magnificent island, the midnight sun, the waterfalls, the geysers, or stop by while traveling to Europe or to the United States, then check this out. Either way, we're gonna have an unforgettable experience together, spending the summer solstice at 24-hour daylight in one of the most sacred places on this planet. Tickets and registration is now online. You can plan your summer vacation with us in June during the summer solstice in Iceland.